If you're seeing Discord error 1001, or you can share your screen but the audio is missing, this quick fix is for you. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to get Discord streaming audio working properly again. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more fast Discord fixes and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, when you start a stream in Discord, watch for the system permission prompt. Discord may ask for access to your screen audio, and you need to select Grant Access. This step is very important because if you skip it, people may be able to see your screen, but they won't hear any sound from the app you're sharing. So make sure you allow the permission when it appears. Next, before you actually start sharing, click the screen share icon. Then open the sharing settings and look for the option related to audio. Make sure Mute Audio Stream is turned off. If that toggle is enabled, Discord can silence the shared audio, which is one of the most common reasons viewers hear nothing during a stream. By forcing audio inclusion and keeping Mute Audio Stream off, you give Discord the best chance to capture both video and sound correctly. Now let's move on to the advanced settings, because this next part can make a big difference. In Discord, click the Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner. From there, go to Voice and Video under App Settings. Once you're in the Voice and Video menu, scroll down until you find the Streaming section. Here you may see options like Use Advanced Technology to capture your screen, or Use Experimental Method to capture audio. Try toggling one of these settings on if it's off, or off if it's already on. Sometimes Discord needs a different capture method depending on your system, your audio driver, or the app you're trying to share. If one setting doesn't work, switch it and test again. This simple toggle can often fix weird streaming behavior, missing audio, or error 1001 issues after a Discord update. After making these changes, start a new screen share or stream and test the audio again. If needed, restart Discord completely and try one more time. In many cases, this is all it takes to restore normal screen sharing with sound. To recap, grant the audio permission, make sure Mute Audio Stream is off, and then toggle the advanced capture settings in Discord Voice and Video. These 3 steps solve a lot of Discord audio and streaming problems fast. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Discord troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.